The winter session of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly saw major drama on Thursday. Before the session began, Congress MLAs held a unique protest over issues like crop compensation and fertilizer shortage. Congress MLA Sunil Uike reached the House dressed as a monkey holding a razor to show how the government is mishandling public issues. Leader of opposition Umang Singhar also joined the protest. Inside the House, Congress members raised the crop damage compensation issue but walked out after being unhappy with the minister's reply. Outside, they raised slogans. BJP MLAs questioned the police over the Katni arson case, claiming wrong charges were filed and public anger was rising. The minister assured fair action. A shocking incident came to light from the Madhya Pradesh Assembly campus where thieves tried to steal sandalwood trees despite high-level security during the winter session. When officers reached the campus on Thursday morning, one sandalwood tree near the parking area was found completely cut. Two more trees showed marks of a saw causing serious damage. The incident has raised major questions on security arrangements around the assembly. Just days earlier on November 17th, a sandalwood tree was stolen from the VVIP 74 bungalow area near the DFO office. The repeated incidents have worried officials and highlighted the need for stronger surveillance. In Tikamgarh's Chataram Mandi, a surprising incident took place when farmers looted 40 to 50 bags of urea from a truck. Two trucks have arrived for fertilizer distribution, but a huge crowd surrounded them. As soon as the truck stopped, many farmers rushed forward and forcefully took the bags. A video of the chaos has gone viral. Farmers say they have been suffering from a severe urea shortage for a long time and the situation has become unbearable. Their anger exploded as soon as the truck arrived. Police are examining the video and investigating the incident. A high-voltage incident took place in Fine Avenue Phase 2 on Kolar Road, Bhopal, where a man was seen throwing bricks and stone in broad daylight. In a viral video, Vikas Tiwari is seen attacking a woman with bricks and large stones. Another clip shows Savitri Chauhan and her son hitting Tiwari's car with an iron rod. Police have registered a case against Vikas Tiwari, who reportedly has a history of violence. According to police, he has been involved in similar assault earlier as well. The incident has shocked residents and raised concern about rising neighborhood disputes. Bhopal's famous Upper Lake now has 20 colorful shikaras similar to those in Srinagar's Dal Lake. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav flagged off the service and even took a ride himself. He was joined by Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar, BJP State President Hemant Khandelwal and Minister Dharmendra Singh Lodhi. The CM appreciated the facilities and also enjoyed tea, poha, samosa and fruits from the floating boat restaurant. He later purchased a sari and jacket from the floating market. The new attraction is now open for the public and is expected to boost tourism in the city. The cultural festival Hriday Drishyam 2025 will be held with full grandeur from December 5th to 7th in Bhopal. The event will take place at three major venues: Ravind Bhavan, Chaman Mahal, Jagdishpur and Bharat Bhavan. State Culture and Tourism Minister Dharmendra Singh Lodhi said the festival highlights the artistic heartbeat of Madhya Pradesh at national and international levels. Entry will remain completely free for all visitors. On the second day, a special food and art craft fair will be the main attraction. Free bus service will run from Ravind Bhavan from 4 p.m. onwards for visitors. A tragic incident took place in Dudhiya Kheda village of Tikamgarh where a 35-year-old Mohan Ahirwar died after receiving a severe electric shock while repairing an electric line on a pole. His body remained hanging from the wires for nearly 6 hours, leading to panic and anger among villagers. Local protested by blocking the Tikamgarh Chhatarpur road, accusing the lineman and electricity department of negligence. They demanded strict action and proper compensation for the family. The incident has sparked a big debate over safety standards for line workers. A disturbing case emerged from Shahjahanabad in Bhopal where a young man was caught touching a 5-year-old girl inappropriately. The incident took place on Thursday evening at the Old Benazir College area. Local caught the accused and immediately handed him over to the police. The child was taken for a medical examination and the police arranged counseling to support her emotional safety. The incident has once again raised concern about child safety in public spaces and strict action is being taken against the accused. Madhya Pradesh is expected to experience a stronger cold wave starting this week, but the scientists say that icy winds from the mountains will enter the state after snowfall and melting ice in the northern region. As a result, temperature in cities like Bhopal, Indore, and Gwalior may drop by 2 to 3 degrees over the next 2 days. The meteorological department reports that one western disturbance has passed and another is approaching, which will affect the Himalayan region from December 5th. People are advised to stay warm as nights will become even colder.